Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to delete System Restore Points Windows 11. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop and locate this PC. Right-click on this PC and then click Properties from the menu. This will open the Windows Settings window. Scroll down until you see the Device Specification section. Just below it, click on System Protection. In the System Properties window, select the drive whose restore points you want to delete, usually local disk. C. Click Configure. At the bottom of the next window, click Delete. Under Delete, all restore points for this drive. A confirmation message will appear explaining that all restore points for the selected drive will be permanently deleted. Once the process is complete, all restore points for that drive will have been removed successfully. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the system restore points in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.